Paul here again from EMD. Today I'm going to show you the meaning of changing your brakes when the mechanic tell you to actually change your brakes. There's a few little terms I'm going to describe. They're going to say to you the your brake disc is undersized, which is every disc from the manufacturer. They usually stamp a minimum setting, which is the minimum thickness of the disc is stamped on there, which is on this GTS 92A. It's 36 mil, so we're going to measure it. So it says 37.2 on this one here, so we actually 1 mil, 1.2 mil till minimum. So, and we're doing the front pads. Okay, now I'm going to show you the brake warning sensors, which is this one here is connected to the computer on the car. When this brake warning sensor inside the brake pads, it's pretty much clipped onto the brake pads. When when the brake pads are worn, the brake sensor there will touch the disc here, completing the circuit to earth, causing the light to come on your cluster saying replace brake pads. So now I'm going to push it in now. So I'm pushing it in, so I'll show you what I mean. So I got a special tool here to hold the caliper out of the way, but I'm going to show you how close it is. Look at the brake sensor, already touching the brake disc already. See that? It's already touching the brake disc. It's already worn, cut out, so it's cut. If you look closely there, inside here it's already cut, causing the light to come on, so that's low. And that's pretty much what you hear people talking about when they're doing the brake pads replacement. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.